Okay, let's look at the garage slab. If you look at it in your drawings and your plans, it's a 5-inch thick slab, and it slopes 1/8 inch per foot. And then where it crosses the foundation wall at the doors, the walls are notched out to allow for that to slope. Now, we're not giving any indication as the elevation of this floor other than on the first floor plan where you have the stairs going into the house. Uh, it basically tells you 2 risers up. It doesn't give you any indication of a height or an elevation. So it leads me to believe that it's flush with the top of the foundation wall, where it starts over here against against this wall right here. I've already got it drawn in here so you can see it, but I'm going to go back into the edit and show you a couple of things with it. So let me go to this section view, and I'm going to go edit boundary, and I created it on the top of foundation layer. So you're gonna sketch it, or you can pick walls. That's fine too. It's going to go against the foundation wall all the way around until you get over here to the doors, and then it's going to actually cut through the doors, through the wall for the door openings. And you can look at my numbers here. This was a 2'8" wide door, so you allow the rough opening space for that, and it gives you 2'10", an additional 2 inches. Garage doors have an additional 3 inches because you put a piece of pressure treated 2x on both sides of it, basically, to where the door attaches to. And then these numbers here came off of the floor plan back to the foundation plan. Okay, so and you remember when we started out, I mean, the plans here are showing, like right here would be 2 inches between the wall and the edge of the framing. But because of the way we created our walls and the cores back in the initial intro video, I think it was, I told you that, I think I allowed 2 inches. So just take these numbers here, and then we'll roll with it and see how it goes. Now, to make it slope, after you've got it drawn, you'll select one of these lines against this wall, and then up here in the top, you hit define slope, and it slopes 1/8 of an inch in 12 inches. Okay, so you'll do that. And no, we do not want to connect walls or anything like that. So we just no again. Okay, so that put the floor in. Now, of course, we've got this wall that comes out over onto that, and we're gonna have to deal with that. And I think what we do is we'll attach the base of that wall to the floor as we're going through cleaning this thing up. Now that created the floor. You are going to have to back here do it again to create your gravel fill underneath, because that was a 5-inch concrete slab and it slopes. So you're going to do that whole thing again for gravel fill, but it's just going to be inside the walls. It's not going to stick out past. Now, I want to show you how we're going to handle the walls out there. So let's go to our east elevation. And I've already done one right here for the man door. And basically what it did is I edited the profile. Let's see if I can pick that wall. Come on. All right, so I'll go back to should be able to do it here. Okay. Edit profile in east elevation. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we can pick lines and okay, and then we'll do a trim. That's the bottom of the slab and the edge of the slab where it comes through. And so now I want to join those, and then I got to draw another one there, and then we'll join those. Okay, so that the actual garage slab sticks out over the foundation wall. So let's go to our 3D view so you can take a look at that. Okay, so there's the garage slab and it sticks out over the foundation wall. And when we get the doors put in, the doors are going to rest right on top of the garage slab at that point. Okay, now this thing calls for number 4 rebar, both directions, at areas over fill. Okay, well, we don't know where fill is until we're in the job site, but you know that anything up against the concrete walls is going to be backfilled against there. So I would assume, you know, back 4 feet. And well, I'll kind of look at that and then pop another video up for that. So let me wrap this one up. That will be the garage slab. But, well, let me go back and look at the section view. Okay, so here's the garage slab, and you see we start it here, top of foundation against the building, and then slope it 1/8 of an inch per foot, and it'll stick out or it'll be to the inside, depends on what you're doing. And you're going to add, I don't have the gravel fill in here, but you're going to add the gravel fill. And that'll wrap this video up, and I'll have another one.